see that?
Yes! We are on Skookum Island. On the vessel. Just got you. Look at all the puffins. Look. Puffins everywhere. All the fish there, Peter?
Yes, boys.
We got.
Oh, it's the biggest one today, surely.
Nice. Ooh, look at that.
Nice one.
How we talking that? Oh, look at that.
Nice one. Oh, fuck.
There's a net there, Dad.
What?
Try and net it.
Ah, you cut. These like.
It's worth getting the GoPro of this one.
It's just fine! That's not bad neither. Oh, and me. Wait, that's a coley.
Yeah, it looks a bit bluer.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice colour. Oh, I got fish as well, man. Oh, get out, that's a nice iron. Nice iron. You get no, it's only a small cut.
That's how it should be.
Yeah. Nice to be home, boys, isn't it?
Oh, there it is, look at that.
And I got a nice collie.
Yeah.
They're everywhere! Help me!
Finally. Oh, double look up. And I got nothing. See? Oh, oh, look at that. You got a Lawrence and a Pollock.
Let's come off.
Oh, Lawrence, come on. What about you? Oh, you got a...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over the good bit. Put us on the fucking fish. Ah, come on, Cap. Oh, shit. Do I need to get the harpoon? What can I see? What can I see?
Sean. Oh my god, he wound it up quick, must be on the surface. Comes off now, comes off, it could fly.
Oh, he's not gonna
Take this time.
take this time this time. Will he drop?
Look at the bend on, look at the bend on it! Can you imagine if a nice bass now?
No.
Nice pollock though.
Pollock.
Cod, is that a cod?
It's a cod.
Stick it over the boat. Come on.
I changed it. Shit.
Come on then. You have to have a picture of that. On the GoPro.
First ever cod. £16. She is. We won't keep that one. Give him a cod.
And it is as well. It is as well. It's another cod. Go on then, bring it in the boat.
They're gonna be big.
Cod's cod.
Well.
feel it, Christoph?
Got over you boys!
The net. This old rod is on fire.
I swear to God, if there's another cod.
It's another cod.
That's
That's what?
It's a cod.
That's 3 of it now.
a weird looking cod, that one.
I caught him a couple of times, look. I don't mess about. So much money I could have had on chips by now. Caught him side, look.
Yeah.
Come off.
Oh, look at that beautiful fish!
Go for it.
Have a picture of that, Dad.
Nice colours, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're nice.
Yeah.
I thought it was bigger than that, mind.
Ready to throw them back then?
Sit round then. There's the wiping over it.
What the fuck's that? Guinea pigs, is it? Oh, all the specimens. All of the...
Oh, hey!
Nice looking fish, isn't it? That's what you want to put on now for a bass, isn't it? You get the fucking lot.
Oh, it's my one here. This is that one that I made.
Oh, another pollock.
Comedian on the camera. Buy some more of these because these are fucking amazing.